Hi, Cheryl. I'm going to go over just a couple of your questions by identifying what we typically call something and then where it's edited in the back end. Um, First, I want to go over a little bit about what everything is. So on this page, obviously we have a header, we've got a top level menu, and then of course there's some sub level menu items showing up underneath there. There's an about us right here. It's probably put in that spot via a module. And then each of these is a module. So school documents, again, is a module, and then all the buttons that are here are modules, or put together in one module. Upcoming events is a module, school headlines is a module. So your first question is how do you, and then inside of those modules, like under school headlines, there's two articles right now. Upcoming events is set up to be articles, but there's probably no articles published in that category. And then under documents, school documents, these are PDFs or files created outside of the website and then posted as something that's downloadable from the website. Okay, so before I go too far, under for example, the About Us page, there's a menu item that points to a category, and that category is a basket that contains articles that show up on this page. So, um, usually you're editing articles. Articles are organized by categories, and then menu items are what display um, a category of articles, or there can be other menu item types. So I'm going to go back to the control panel. I hope that's helpful. And the first question is, how do I change add delete main categories in blue at the top of the page? School admissions fast direct. Okay, I'm going to click on menus and go to school. And here, there's an attempt to change parents, school, students to get involved. So I'm guessing what's happened is that you changed the category and not the menu item. So if I click on this, sure enough, well, this one is pointing to the school board menu item. So this is probably supposed to be a category blog, and we're going to select the category under school for get involved. We usually change our options, the article settings to be optional. So that I can also edit that category name from here. So if I wanted to change this and see if this was parent students, I can make those changes from this screen. Then I want to go ahead and change this here. Choose save and close. And then on the website, if I refresh, I now have get involved right there. Okay, so the submenu items would be edited in the same place. Notice here that hierarchy, the tab over means it's a child of the one that's at the root level above it. So school board, home and school service hours are all sub items under get involved. Those would be edited the same way. The next option, the next question you gave me was how do you edit these? If you want them to go away or to say something else, again, those are modules. Control panel. The module manager is this one right here. And then I think the easiest way for you to find out what that is, choose search tools, kind of like you do in the article manager. Under page, let's look for school. This could be under this ZE school menu. And then here, school documents, school quick links, upcoming events, school headlines would be the ones to make edits to. I just want to look at this one real quick. Nope, that's pointing to an article, so there's a lot happening here. Anyway, So if I wanted to change school documents to be a different name, that name would be changed here, and so on. I hope that's helpful. I mean, anything beyond that, you're more than welcome to ask Soluzio to make edits too. Thanks for watching. Take care. God bless.